Alright, you guys, this is some directions on how I'd like you to do your citations for your endangered species project. I already generated one that I was going to use for pictures, and I'm going to show you how to do that for something else. It doesn't really matter. You're going to do the same citation process for both pictures and for facts. So I am going to look at this NOAA's fisheries. I'm going to go to it. Just as a quick point, just saying, if I want to use this picture, I cannot use this URL. You have to click through all the way to the source material in order to use the URL. Otherwise, it is not acceptable. So this is NOAA is a very reputable site. It is a government source that is very well respected. It has some good information here that I might use, and so I'm going to use this for some of my information. And so I am going to copy the URL, and I'm going to go to Citation Machine. I like Citation Machine because it's free and it has a free APA citation. I'm going to put the link to it for you in the assignment, and it will keep also a running works cited for you. And you can see it's in APA. We use APA because it's more appropriate for science classes. So it says choose your source. I'm choosing a website. And I'm going to paste my URL. This also does a thing like Turnitin, where it will tell you if you have plagiarized, so you can use it particularly if you make an account. If you make an account, I think a lot of this, a lot of these advertisements go away. So this is what I want. I do want to cite it. It has the article title, the URL, and I'm going to click continue. It gathers a lot of the data for you, but if you're missing it, it will ask you. It doesn't have an electronic publish date. And you can also annotate it, so I might just say that I used it for classification. Facts. All right, and so it's going to add it to my citation down here. So let's say I have my my endangered species project slideshow. I want to put my picture in, so I want to take this picture and I want to use it for my picture on the front page. Alright, if I just put my picture here and I don't cite it, then I will not get credit for that picture, because that's how citations work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my citation list, and it is this one that I used, and if I hover over it, it says copy citation, but then it says copy in text citation. And I'm going to use, you should have two things. You should have the title or the author. If you don't have an author, then you have to use the title and the year it was published. It creates it for you, and I'm going to copy it. And then here, I'm going to, not there, I'm going to paste it. And there's my citation. And it actually looks kind of good there, so I'm going to leave it there. You also will keep your work cited, so you can have it on your last slide, of course. So I'm going to change some things, but there is what you have for that. Does that make sense? I hope it does. And the same thing for facts, and they should all look the same. They should have either an author or a title and the work and the year of publication. And if it isn't, it's the year that you accessed it, which is this year. All right, I hope that helps. Make sure that you cite all your sources and all your pictures. Bye.